You are waiting to feel like it. You are waiting for inspiration. You are waiting for the perfect moment. Here is the harsh truth. That moment will never come. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings are temporary. They come and go like the wind. Discipline is a choice. It is permanent. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the world, struggled to get out of bed every morning. But he didn't wait for motivation. He reminded himself of his duty. Here is how to build discipline that never breaks. Lesson 1. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Most people think, first I get motivated, then I act. Wrong. You act first. Then the motivation follows. Do you think a soldier waits to feel excited before going to battle? No. He goes because he must. Stop negotiating with your mind. Your mind is designed to keep you comfortable. It will always say, do it tomorrow. Don't listen. Move your body and your mind will follow. Lesson 2. Do it badly. Perfectionism is the enemy of discipline. You procrastinate because you are afraid you won't do it perfectly. The Stoics believed in progress, not perfection. Zeno said, well-being is realized by small steps, but is truly no small thing. If you don't want to go to the gym for an hour, go for 10 minutes. If you don't want to write a book, write one sentence. A bad workout is better than no workout. Show up. Even if it's ugly, just show up. Lesson 3. Remember the price of regret. Discipline hurts. It is uncomfortable. But do you know what hurts more? Regret. The pain of discipline weighs ounces. The pain of regret weighs tons. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. If you don't start today, that version of you will look back with tears in their eyes, wishing you had started. Don't let your future self down. Choose the pain of discipline today so you can enjoy the peace of victory tomorrow. Motivation is for amateurs. Discipline is for professionals. You don't need to feel good to do good work. Get up, do your duty, and never betray your potential.